everyone, today I will introduce to you 3 models of vacuum cleaners and mops with the most intelligent features today. If you want to know how smart and convenient they are, please join me to explore. Shark Ecovacs D-Bot T20 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. Hot water mop washing, auto hot air drying, 9mm auto mop lifting, dual spinning mops, self-emptying, 6000 Pascal suction, obstacle avoidance, Yaiko voice assistant white, 131 degrees Fahrenheit, hot water mop washing, industry's first robot vacuum and mop cleaner with hot water mop washing. T20 Omni washes the mop with 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to dissolve oil and dirt and dries it with hot air. 9mm auto mop. Lifting. The Auto Lift mopping system lifts the mopping plates up to 9mm when a carpet is detected. The Osmo Turbo pressurized dual spinning mop offers premium scrubbing capability and cleans right to the edge. 6000 Pascal superior suction. Powerful suction removes dust and dirt from hardwood floors, ceramic tiles and carpets. The upgraded tangle-free rubber brush effectively cleans pet hair, reducing hair entanglement. The Omni Station empties the robot automatically and holds enough dust for up to 75 days. Advanced TrueDetect 3D 3.0 object avoidance, real-time 3D scanning and detection to avoid potential hazards. Customize your cleaning experience. T20 Omni. PreciSense. LiDAR navigation creates 3D maps, multiple maps for multi-level homes and sets virtual walls. Seamless interactive experience with Ecovacs. The T20 Omni offers control with its self-contained Yaiko voice assistant. No need for additional connections to Amazon Alexa, Google Home or Siri. Activating and operating the D-Bot T20 Omni is always a breeze. Dual Osmo Turbo spinning mopping system. The upgraded Osmo Turbo 2.0 rotating mopping system mimics human hand movements. It exerts a consistent 6 Newton mopping pressure and spins at 180 rotations per minute. This powerful combination deep cleans effectively, removing stains from everyday spills to stubborn dried-on messes. What you get: T20 Robot Vacuum Omni Station, 1 set of mopping pads, 1 auto-sealed dust bag, 1 set of side brushes, 1 cleaning brush, multifunction cleaning tool, user manual, friendly after-sale service, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Asterisk only support 2 4G Wi-Fi. Frequency band. If you want to learn more about the product, please go to the description below the video, click on the See More section. I have links to 3 products. Subscribe and press the bell to support the channel. Thank you.